Hello, my fellow tech seekers. Today, we are here with a short video trying to explain how technology will transform healthcare after the end of the current COVID-19 pandemic. Also, make sure to check out our Instagram page where we post a bunch of content and any updates regarding upcoming events at Technovanza VJTI. So let's begin with the video. In the last couple of years, we've seen some horrifying crises, such as wildfires in the Amazon and Australia, the Amphan cyclones. And the worst of all of these, the current COVID-19 outbreak. We now understand and feel that there is more in the nature's sack for us to face in the coming years. Scientists are now suggesting that other than frequent calamities and disasters, we are also going to face diseases. Diseases that are unseen and deadlier than before. So what do you think has changed over the last decade? One of the reasons could be that the glaciers, which served as a super preservative for many ancient viruses and bacteria, are rapidly melting. During all these disasters, we for sure have learned one thing: that we cannot alone stand against the force of nature, that we all need to come together and protect ourselves from the fury of nature. The current pandemic has taken quite a toll on humanity. What we have learned from this pandemic is that we need to take up some non-traditional method of working in every sector. For example, online education, online payment wherever possible to prevent direct contact. But healthcare is one sector where direct contact is almost a necessity. COVID-19 is highly contagious and healthcare workers are more prone to catching the disease than anyone else. Hence, many doctors are preferring to give medical counseling over a phone call to prevent one-to-one spread. A few technologies have come out of the pandemic situation that could be a game changer.
One of such technologies, as mentioned in our Instagram post, is virtual care. As the name suggests, it implies that virtually the patient is treated and taken care of. Arogya Setu is one such example of virtual care, which is launched by the Government of India in the wake of COVID-19. This app warns us about the presence of a COVID-19 patient and also helps us identify the symptoms for the same. This way, many doctors and hospitals have developed such software to help their regular patients. This has helped the government to track the infected and determine the probable containment zones in order to take action and stop the further spread of the disease. Next up on the line of such technologies is telemedicine. It means giving medication to the patient through means of telecommunication. The doctor and patient are equipped with the means of communications. It is audio-visual mode of communication, artificial intelligence, AR and VR. They communicate over this means and doctors prescribe medicine to the patients. This helps with social distancing and prevention of transmission of any kind of contagious diseases. This helps with the most basic kind of diseases with simple symptoms. While in case of more advanced diseases such as cancer or some other kind of rare disease that cannot be identified by taking a mere look at the patient. One more technology which is being talked about since last few years is telesurgery. This technology has enabled surgeries overseas without any contact between the surgeon and patient. This can be helpful in cases of complicated surgery, which needs specialists in the field staying quite some distance and is not comical for the patient due to travel expense of the surgeon and also in warlike similar situations. All these technologies have the potential to help the world in the current time to resurrect itself from this worldwide pandemic and also in the future. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos as such. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.